Hey everybody, Arie here, and in this video we're going to be talking about a crazy thing that Shopify is doing right now. And then as a bonus, I'm going to be giving you a really cool business plan that you could potentially start today for an e-commerce business. So stay till the end, you're going to get a ton of value, and we're not going to waste any time here, so let's get right into it. But just real quick, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe for more. We're always trying to grow the channel, grow the community. But anyways, I recently was browsing Shopify. I talked to a lot of people that are trying to start new stores, people that already have stores, and what I noticed is that right now Shopify is offering like the craziest deal that I think I've ever seen. I didn't even know about this, like they didn't even tell me about this. So what's going on is basically you can build your Shopify store right now for $1 a month. So like literally you only need $1 and you get 3 months of Shopify for $1, and that's on top of a free trial. So you can literally start a Shopify store for free and then fund it with $1. That's a pretty crazy offer. I'm not exactly sure how they make money on that. I'm not really sure whose idea it was, but either way, the first link in the description will be the link to this actual offer. So make sure you guys click that and start your store today, because this ends on July 25th. Pretty crazy. I didn't know about it. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing, the little bonus I want to give you today is how you can actually start an e-commerce store on Shopify with a really great idea. So I'm going to give you basically a quick framework for what I would do starting an espresso brand. Now, why an espresso brand, you may be wondering? Well, basically because espresso is awesome, and secondly, because it's actually a pop-off trend in the United States. So most of the people watching this video are people from the US. However, obviously you can apply this to really anywhere in the world. So as you see here, this is a continuously rising trend. People are really starting to get into espresso in the US. So obviously the first step here is creating the brand idea, right? And try to start your business in a market that's not going to be an uphill battle, right? A market that's growing so that you can take advantage of the growth potential in the market, right? Like it's kind of a smart way to think about it. And then the next step is just literally going on Alibaba and looking for product ideas. So Alibaba.com is basically the one-stop shop for finding manufacturers. And what's really cool is that you can actually find manufacturers anywhere in the world. So of course, China is the biggest country with the most manufacturers. But if you did want to find a US manufacturer, for example, you could simply click US manufacturing here and you'd be able to find some. Now, obviously, I just looked up the search term espresso here, and I already am seeing some pretty cool machines that are really expensive. So like, I probably wouldn't start with something like this if I was a complete beginner, but let's say you actually do research the espresso space, so you actually figure out what people are looking for, you could find some machines kind of like these. So for example, this is one that I found that I thought was so clean. It looks really simple, it's designed really well, and you could easily private label it. What's really cool too is that you can actually just order one piece for 33 bucks. Now the hack here is that espresso machines are actually super expensive. Like look at this, guys. A normal Nespresso machine here is literally 200 bucks, and you could get something quite similar for 33 bucks. So that's kind of the move. I would order like a few units just to test them out, and then start a Shopify store with that link in the description, like I said, that will only really cost you $1. And with these estimated lead times, you'll probably receive your order before your Shopify trial is over. But before that, what you can do is just literally take these images, go on Canva or something, remove the background, and then start creating a brand around these images. Post them on Instagram, post them on Facebook, and then once you actually receive the machine, this is the strategy that you're gonna use. You're actually just gonna create a TikTok for your brand, and you're gonna start making espresso drinks for content. So what you're gonna do is show people how to make really good espresso based drinks. This is literally what Nespresso is doing right now, and as you can see, their engagement is really good. Like for example, this video right here has 2.3 million views, and it's just them showing how to make a specific drink. So if you've been watching my channel for a bit, I've talked about this a lot, but a really good marketing strategy is literally just educating people. You can't go wrong with that. So if you show people how to make really cool espresso drinks, but then you use the machine that you're selling, people are gonna naturally be curious about where you got that machine, and then boom, you can plug in your brand and then start making sales organically with $0 spent on ads. Now, once you get a few sales going, once you actually make like your first $1,000, right, you're gonna have to reinvest in more inventory. It will take time. Like it's probably gonna take at least 3 months to really get things moving. But once you do, you can start running TikTok ads to some of your most popular posts and start scaling up operations consistently and predictably. That's what my agency does for a lot of clients. That's really our goal, is to help you scale with predictable results. But again, you can just do this on your own if you just take the time to plan this out and follow this framework that I just gave you in the last like 5 minutes. That's basically all I got for today. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you want me to do more similar videos. And obviously, again, make sure you take advantage of that Shopify offer because it's not going to last long. And I don't know if they're going to bring it back or not. But that's about it. See you guys next time. Peace.